Alright, let's learn the best export settings for Instagram Reels in this video. So I have this project that I have and I want to export this video in the highest or the best quality possible. Now for this video I'm using Wondershare Filmora 15, but you can use any video editing software that is available on the market, just such as Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, or any other software that you like to use. Now, once that is done, click on the export button right here. Once the export screen appears, click on the advanced button. Here, make sure to select format as MP4, resolution to Full HD. Even though the video that you're working on is a 4K resolution or 2K or even 8K resolution, still you'll have to export the video in Full HD resolution, which is 1080 x 1920 resolution. Next, choose encoder as H.264 and frame rate to 30 frames per second. If you want, you can also use 60 frames per second depending on the video that you're working on, but still 30 frames per second is just the sweet spot. For bitrate mode, select VBR, which stands for variable bitrate. Set bitrate to high and use 10,000 kilobits per second for bitrate. Now you must be thinking, why am I not using a higher bitrate? Because you know, right? Higher value of bitrate is equal to better quality of the video. That is true, but the size of the video will be larger as well. And if you use this large video file to upload in Instagram, then Instagram will compress the video and just the quality will go down in the gutter. So this is something that you should ignore, and then use 10,000 kilobits per second. It will just give you the best quality possible on Instagram. Now for color space, use SDR Rec.709. Use none for compression quality. For audio encoder, choose AAC. For channel, use stereo. Sample rate, choose 48,000 Hz. And lastly, use bitrate to 128 kilobits per second, as higher value won't give you much better result. It's just the same thing. If you use higher value, then the size will be larger. So make sure 128 kilobits per second is chosen. And if you want, you can also save the setting as a preset so that you won't have to tweak any settings in future. After everything is done, click on the export button and wait for the export to complete. Alright, once the video is exported successfully, transfer this video onto your phone. Don't use Instagram web or Instagram on your computer to upload your reels. Always use it on your smartphone. So now let me go ahead on my smartphone. Now after the transfer is complete, open up Instagram, go to your profile, tap on the hamburger menu, scroll down and tap on media quality, and make sure upload at highest quality option is enabled. This is something very important to do, so make sure you do it. Alright, now let me just keep my phone aside. Now ensure that you are using a good internet connection. Now if you're using mobile network, then make sure you have good 4G or even good 5G connection. If you're just taking a look at, if you're seeing or noticing that your network isn't the best, then try moving to a location where you have better cellular network coverage. But if you're using Wi-Fi, then make sure the speed is good. Do a speed test before uploading your reel. Once everything is done, you are ready to upload your reel on your Instagram and just amaze everyone with the highest quality possible, like quality of your reels on Instagram. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. This is Vibro from Filmora, made easy. If you have any doubts or questions, please let me know in the comment box down below. This is your Vibro signing out. Have a great day, and until then, I'll see you in the next video. I said something wrong. Let me know in the comments.